So now Royce is tossing me the keys, man. You trusting me with that, man?
Yeah. Be careful. Respect it.
Oh, so you was working all day to get prepared for tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
Oh man, I'm mad we didn't come tomorrow, dog.
It'd have been
a movie, huh?
This was good. Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh man, well it's good, man. Y'all see what he got here, man. My guy ain't playing. Can I check out your bike real quick? Cause they gonna be like, hey man, why you didn't check out his bike? Man, dude got the motor hanging out the hood. That is nuts. Look at this thing, dog. Oh my God, he ain't playing. Look at that. Got all type of gauges, race car seats. Dang, that's nuts. This is a nice car, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dang.
That was my first love was automobiles.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw his pops look like he do a little car stuff.
Yeah, no, definitely. He's definitely got some stuff, but nothing like this. This is kind of like way next level, man. I ain't gonna hold you. You got the supercharger on this thing and some more. That is crazy. I can't even guess how much horsepower that thing got.
Got the camera on all the
He
time.
like, hey man, you see, you got the camera. You trying to get me? Hey, that's funny. Hey, no, this is a nice bike, man. This is a nice bike. That black and red is hitting. I ain't gonna hold you.
It was bone stock.
I love that seat.
A lot of chrome and stuff. Yeah,
That seat is real
for
nice.
BMC. When I get it out here, I want you to sit on him.
Oh yeah, nah, we gonna get it. We gonna get it together. Got the S&S pipes on him.
But you see what that box behind you say, don't you?
Let's see. Oh dang, D&D.
And that's I was hoping to get that on there and get it tuned by the time you got here.
Right, huh?
So I can put you on it. But this ain't bad.
It's lit. Oh yeah, he got the big air breather on this joint. Fuel moto.
Hey,
Hey man, it's nothing. That logo don't mean nothing, man.
That's right.
Hey man, we one in the same, man.
That's right.
That is funny.
Man,
So you like the Fuel Moto kit then, huh?
I like the company. I like how they do what they do, man.
Right,
You know what I'm
right.
saying? Their prices are right.
Right.
They're very helpful.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? To send you a tune when you need.
Yeah, I like Fuel Moto too, man.
I like them. Yeah.
Because I had the option to go with like, a couple big different board kits. But I'm
Right.
just like, Fuel Moto was more so what I wanted to go with. So
You made a good choice.
yeah, no, it worked out. I like it.
Yep.
I'm kind of disappointed in the numbers, but
The numbers don't tell the story, man.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
it feels excellent. I ain't
That's
gonna
what
hold you.
tells the
It
story.
definitely
right
feels
there.
excellent.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is funny, man. My guy's about to throw the freaking floorboards on here. He said, man, I knew you was just coming tomorrow. I was trying to get the bike and everything ready for you. But, it is what it is, man. We're going to make the best out of a situation. So I can't wait. And I see you got the solo seat on here, so why if you don't get on this one too much, huh? Oh, you got a different seat.
I got a tour pack back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But she don't like to ride, really.
Questions, man. I swear to you, I'm looking at all the gets and the gadgets. I'm like, man, what that air filter is right there, man. Just let me know. You're like, hey, man, you got the camera on, dude. Hey, that is funny, dog. I'm dying. How long did it take you to build this car?
About 5 years on and off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
I'm a solo dude. I do it all by myself.
Right, huh? Yeah.
Well, you know what it's like, because all these bikes you deal with.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Man, if I had an extra hand.
Right, huh? Then you be like, man, I don't even need the extra hand. Y'all gonna slow me up.
Yep. Yep.
And I love the white top. It looks like so just like clean, dude.
When you see it in the sun, if it was sunny, it's got blue pearl on the top.
Oh, on the top. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can actually see it a little bit. I ain't gonna hold you. Can definitely see it. You got this painted out here?
Yeah. That's just body work.
Yeah.
And it's prep and everything. A buddy of mine has a body shop, and he shot it.
Yeah, he did a hell of a job.
Probably almost 20-year-old paint.
Yeah, he did a hell of a job because this show looking clean. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, you got the gadgets on here. What is that, an oil catcher?
Yeah, that's the breather.
Yeah, okay.
You know how you. A lot of times you
Like
get
a catch can.
the oil that drips out of the air cleaner and all that. So that's
Catch
the remote.
can, yeah, okay.
That's what that is.
Man, I see you ain't playing because I ain't really seen that on too many people's bikes. So my guy definitely got some juice in there somewhere, huh? Getting that thing off the hood. Oh yeah, I need one of them, man.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
That look like it make life way easier.
Oh, well.
I definitely need one of them, man. Y'all see his Street Glide here in a nice freaking fire engine red. The 21 inch on the front, looking real good. Matching floorboards, sliders, and everything, man. I can dig it. I can definitely dig it. About to pull this thing out, get it fired up, and the sun is finally coming out, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We still out here in the north, about to go up, try to see what this day holds, try to make the best out of the situation, because you guys know we was supposed to be pulling up tomorrow. My guy Royce had everything situated, the big ride. Everybody was about to come pull up. We was about to take a ride in a race car, so on and so forth, man. But, you know, everything can't go the way you want it. But we are going to make the best of the situation. So let's see how this bike is looking. Yes, sir. Ooh, is them custom dynamic lights?
Just LED. They not. Oh, actually, those are. Yes.
Yeah. I'm like, man, them look like the custom dynamics. They look really good. They look really good. Oh yeah, and he got the front set up. Y'all see what's going on? Oh yeah. Yes, sir. So we got the super Street Glide. I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm not gonna tell y'all nothing. I'm gonna just say the super Street Glide, and then we got the regular daddy right there. But y'all see it here first, man. My guy got the big daddy on there with the whole fuel moto kit, the big air breather, and all that, man. That thing definitely look real good. I ain't gonna hold you. We got the nice 21 up front. Looks real good with the wraparound LED lights. I ain't gonna hold you. Look real nice, man. It definitely look real nice. I love the how the trimming and everything up here matches, like even the sliders and like the light and stuff like that looks really good and subtle. Look at this seat though, man. This solo seat is like, it kind of remind me of the new STs. So you guys get a freaking get a good feel for that. Man, can we hear it? Hit that thing for us one time, man. Let's see how this thing really sounds when you open it up a little bit. Woo! Oh my God. Yeah, it definitely sounds good, man. That thing sounds like a beast. I ain't gonna even hold you. It definitely sounds good, man. Let me know what you guys think about Royce's 2010 Street Glide, man. He did a hell of a job on it. Don't let that year fool you, man. I'm sure this thing is faster than most of y'all MAs. I'm gonna just leave it at that. Because if I display the numbers, it's gonna be a problem.
Oh yeah, no numbers.
No numbers.
I
told him, I'm like, yeah, it's faster than some of y'all M8s, man. So just know that.
Oh yeah, bring the M8s on. Come see me.
He said, come see him. Hey, I am dying, man. That is dope, man. Yes, sir. So now Royce is tossing me the keys, man. You trusting me with that, man?
Yeah. Be careful. Respect it.
He said, respect it. Don't do it like you do yours, man. But you'll be good to go. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm about to set up the camera so y'all can follow me on this quick little journey. We ain't gonna go too hard, ain't gonna go too far, but we gonna go just enough, man. Let's get it. Man, we just made it back, man. I told you I wasn't gonna go that far, but I ain't gonna hold you. Once I got on the gas, I was like, man, let me just take this on the freeway real quick and see how it really is,
I think
man.
I heard you smash by that.
Yeah, I
Okay.
definitely got in the exit or two, man. It was fun. I had to put the GPS in, just like you said. If you get lost, I'm like, man, I ain't gonna get lost. And what happened? I definitely got lost, man. So
It's all good, man.
that was a freaking fun ride. I ain't gonna hold you. This bike, it feels really good, man.
Right.
It feels really good. Like, you know, I'm not really like, I love the street glides, but of course I love the road glides. But this particular street glide, it really feels good, man.
Right on, man.
It really feels comfortable. I like it. The bars and everything, it's not too high, it's not too little. It's like literally perfect, man. So I'm digging it. This guy got a ripper here, man. I ain't gonna hold you. The CVO ain't kind of no match compared to that red thing, man. I ain't gonna hold you.
All good, man.
That thing is a beast, dog. Good looking, man. Thanks for letting me ride that joint, man.
Sure had to get you on.
Yeah, no, that thing was definitely a ride for real.
Sir, so I'm gonna finish dusting this thing off. It ain't gonna be perfect. It's gonna be just half wiped down.
Oh man, this is better than half wiped down, man. This look good.
And then once that's done, we're gonna go get us something to eat.
For sure, man. Sounds good. Definitely sounds good, man. I can't wait to see this thing rumble in the jungle. So I'm guessing you don't even got a hood for this thing.
I do. It's all cut out. It's in the back of my little shirt.
Oh,
I got
okay.
out back, but it never goes on.
He like, it never goes on, man. It's pointless. That is funny, man. You guys see us out here, man. What did you guys think about that first ride on my guy Royce's street glide, man? I think it's a beast. I ain't gonna hold you. Definitely feels torquey and super powerful. Can't help but love it, man. Really nice bike. What did you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. I ain't gonna hold you. The weather real nice. I wanted to stay on that thing a little bit longer and hit a couple more corners, but it's all good, man. It's all good.